Hi, my name is Jeff Woodruff with Absolute Insurance Solutions, and I wanted to go over a little bit of information or some questions that people had about the plan itself with New Era. One of the questions that people have asked me is, how much does it cost? Well, it's kind of relative in that you get to design your own health plan. You can design how much coverage you want based on how much premium you're able to afford. So when you come in and talk to me, I want you to tell me what you can afford and what we can do for you. One thing I have noticed, you're going to save between 50 to 70% off of the ACA plans. I think it's phenomenal. I think it's really great too because you can have coverage before deductible, okay? As opposed to the ACA plans, you have to fulfill the deductible before you even get coverage. It's exact opposite of what you've experienced. And the other thing is, you're going to just enjoy the fact that you get to have the choice of where you want to go, when you want to go see the doctor, and how you want your health care provided. The next question that somebody asked me is, what is an indemnity plan? So an indemnity plan is basically this. There's a defined amount that they're going to pay for each type of service. So in this example, let's say you want to go see a doctor. The benefit's going to be $80. We're going to pay $80 towards that doctor visit. Now, if the doctor visit's $100, then you're going to owe $20. But if the doctor visit's only $60, then they're going to pay you $20. So that's how it works. It's a defined benefit plan, and so the more you shop, the more you save. Just like you do in your car insurance, just like you do in everything else, you shop around, you do the same thing here, and you're going to get money back in your pocket. I think that's fair, don't you? Question number 3, how does it work? Well, it's really simple. All you do is you just take your card right over here and you give it to your doctor and say, hey, bill the insurance company. The first thing they're going to ask you is, what's your copay? And you're going to say, there is no copay. And they're going to bill the insurance company, and then you're going to pay either the difference or they're going to give you back the difference. Or another way you can do it is you can ask the doctor, hey, what is it going to cost if it's cash pay? So they give you a cash price. You'll pay that out of your pocket, take the receipt, send it off to Philadelphia American, and then they'll reimburse you. And if that reimbursement happens to be more than what you paid, you get to keep the difference. It's just that simple. The main thing that we want you to know is that we want you to be in charge of your healthcare plan. We want you to go shop, and we want you to find the best pricing for you. Let me give you an example right now. Do you know that there's an app that you can get on your phone? It's called the Healthcare Blue Book. You can download it. Go to either Google or iPhone and download it. And you can look up MRI. And you'll see that an MRI can be close to $4,000. Or in the app, it will only go down to about maybe $700. But my doctor that I go to has a doctor or an MRI place that he'll do it for $250. So guess what? I'm going to go to the place that charges $250. If I do that, I'm going to get money back that I get to keep. To me, that's just the fair way of doing business. That's the way we've been doing it for everything else. Why not for your health care? So that's how it works. And then what is the catch? Well, there is no catch. The thing is, you got to catch the vision, and you got to understand that you have to be in charge of your health care. Just because a doctor says go down here to such and such a place to get something done, you should question whether that's the best for you, because it might be more expensive to go to where he says to go because he's just used to having you go there. If you just do a little work on yourself, with yourself, and shop around, you will find that you will find better benefits everywhere, and we're going to be here to help you. We also have CARES 360 that's part of the insurance plan that will actually do the negotiating and also find lower cost places for you. And we also have Teledoc. You can use them 24/7 anywhere you want to go instead of having to go to the emergency room or urgent care. In some cases, just call them up and they'll tell you how to get things done, and that's a completely free service that we provide. So there's just so many benefits to this plan. I want you to come see me. Let's design a plan for you today, and you call me at 623-328-5298 or go online at www.absoluteinsuranceforyou.com.